What up? How we doing? Back at it again. Going into Canyon Lakes at a 120-gallon tank that we're selling to a customer that's putting in a new pool. Got Hector pulling up with the gas truck. Josh and John are already there getting the tank on the ground. I have to put some muscle in on this one and take it down a couple steep hills and up a couple of steps. So it should be fun. Be a good little workout for the morning. Then Hector's going to take off, finish his route, drop into Temecula, into Owanga, and the Mountain Center, and then come back down the front side of Idaho. And that'll complete the day. Let's check it out. Let's check out what we got going on. So we're gonna come through this gate, down this little hallway. Down through this gate as well. It slides out this way. Which, this is gonna be a maneuver right here. Down this real steep part. This will be fun. It's gonna take all 250 right here. We're gonna come down this way, cross over here, through this other gate, through the gate here, down these circle of stairs. This is gonna be fun, dropping down. We might just carry it. Then I think we're going this way, up this. So I guess we're gonna have to go down this, over there. Crazy. I guess we're just gonna have to see how it goes. There's only one way to do it. It looks totally different from when we were here.
Are the babies all done?
Yeah. I feel like we should move one or two of those trash cans or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch you guys. This is on these three right here. Press it to go further, or?
I don't know how much does it have to press.
Yeah, you're good right there.
You guys can all let go. I got it. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. No, we're good. Right here, huh? The first half of the mission complete. Drop down each one, you think, or carry it? Okay. It wasn't that bad. Once he moves his truck, back your truck in. That's how we do it. We got her done. Hector, pull the truck up and just nose out. Get in there as best as you can. It's gonna take all the hose. I'm go down there so you can pass it to me. Josh and John already had the truck or the tank out of the truck when we got here. We pulled up, Hector and I did, brought it down the hills, brought it down the steps, maneuvered around everything, got it in place. Right now I'm filling it. John's just hooked up his gauge to do a leak check. So he's gonna check the whole system at about half a PSI, see if it holds. From there, we'll just get the tank topped off, wind the hose back up. It's taking all 150 feet and we'll get out of here. Yep. It's all yours, John. Just like that, huh?
Propane. Good work out there.
I think Josh actually has one more tank set after this. He had a 172 gallon tank on there too. Seen him out of the yard. Not too sure where that's going. He'll go off and do another one as well today. Busy one.